Hello friends, it's Suzanne here. Welcome to my annual series called Crafting at the Lake House. And as you can see, the attendees at this event enjoy a breathtaking view of the Okanagan Lake in Kelowna, BC, Canada, while crafting all day long. We created 12 holiday projects this year, and I'm going to share them all with you. But first, I wanted to give a shout out to all the attendees this year because without their support, I couldn't put on an in-person event like this. I also want to thank my events team, Kathy, Maggie, and Paul. Their combined help made the event run smoothly, and I am so lucky to have such an amazing team. Now, if you would like a how-to PDF of today's card, there's a link in the description box below, and you can see all the supplies I used today listed below as well. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So how about we get started with the cards? Hi friends, welcome to card number 8 of the Crafting at the Lake House series. We are featuring the stamp set Greetings of the Season. I have a Granny Apple Green marker here and a basic white card base. I'm putting the nib of that marker into the lid, and I'm creating flecks or speckles or splatters or whatever you want to call it on my card base. And I'm inking my Sentiment Season's Greetings up with shaded spruce, and I stamp that about an inch from the bottom and about a half an inch from the free edge of the card base. So I've used the Greetings of the Season stamp set throughout this series. It has a lot of Greetings of the Season, and it's very good. I found it very helpful, especially with some stamp sets that didn't have Greetings of the Season. And then it also, so it's an online exclusive. So it's not in the catalog. You got to go either to the link below in the description and head to my online store, or if you're not from Canada, you got to go to your demonstrator's online store and find the stamp set Greetings of the Season. Or the paper that I'm using right now is called Season of Green and Gold, and it's a specialty designer series paper, and it has it's like its own online exclusive section. So I have an adhesive sheet here that I smeared all over my little gold foil sheet and made a sticker of the gold foil. Do you see sort of like a I don't know, it seems to happen with almost every card that I make right now. It's because it makes for easy decorating. When you have those adhesive sheets, you can die cut with them, or you can put half a sheet on, say, your gold foil and make a sticky gold foil. I think that's pretty lovely. So these little bits and bobs were from the Season of Gold designer series paper. It has some vellum, or I think there's vellum extra. And so I didn't fussy cut all of them out for the attendees. These were just ones that I had already fussy cut out, but I did sort of rough cut some of the embellishments here, and I did allow for people to, use some, look in the bin if they needed a little extra. A lot of people really liked this card because it is that green and red that everybody likes. One of my favorite color combinations is Granny Apple Green and Shaded Spruce. Those two colors are made to go with each other. So this is the Cherry Cobbler and Gold 1/4 inch ribbon. I'm using ribbon scissors to trim off the edges, and I helped the adhesion with a little bit of a glue dot, mini glue dot. They are worth their weight in gold. I remember when someone said that to me, and I felt that they were very true. I also thought that they were kind of nuts how they had opinions on adhesive, and now here I am. So these are those druzy adhesive back embellishments. Everybody wanted to know what druzy meant, and it's just like gold. It's kind of a funky gold. Anyway, that is my card for today. You will see some links in the description box below, and you will also find a link to the PDF. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.